This is what it looks like when a person buys a welder, sits on it for 2 years, then decides to finally use it. So I'm setting the spool tension, feeding the wire speed at its highest, and checking if this spool keeps spinning after I stop. So that's good. Putting my flux core tip on. This is a Hobart tip. This is my workpiece. It's pretty much a 1/8 inch piece of steel. So with an 1/8 inch on my machine, it would be between 12 gauge and 10 gauge. So 3 for voltage and between 40 and 45 for wire feed speed. So we'll set that to 3. We'll go to about somewhere between 40 and 45. That looks good. That's what we're rolling with. Workpiece clamp down. So I got the ground on. Nozzle at the ready. Machine plugged into the wall. Settings. Here goes nothing. Oh my. First one. Second one. Third one.